Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. It's my late video which I'm uploading after minimum 2 weeks. So sorry for that. And this video I'm going to learn how to unblock blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So first of all, open WhatsApp, click three dot, go to settings. After go to settings, click account and then click privacy. Here, scroll it down and click block contacts. Here the contacts which you have blocked. So here if I want to unblock this contact, so click on it and unblock it. Here your contact is unblocked. Here if I search, here it's unblocked. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe or like our video.